Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Ahmed here at Dash Truck Colorado Springs location with another walk around video. If you like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you are watching, well, drop us a like. Today walk around will be for the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's an XL crew cab 4x4 pickup truck. A set of new tires has been added to this vehicle. Here at Dash Trucks, our vehicles are fully reconned. What we mean when we say that, we go through the suspension, braking, the engine, and the transmission component, and we make sure that everything is working as desired. Here's the camera and sensors, also towing hitch. Let's take a look at the interior. This truck has 100,055 miles. Let's go ahead and start it up. Here's your backup camera. Does have an inverter too. This truck has a 6.2-liter V8 32-valve engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a close look at the engine. Alright, wrapping up this walk around. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description, where you can view our full listing as well as our phone number. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a great one.